In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Ads to N8N, enabling you to automate and manage your advertising tasks efficiently. Start by creating a new workflow in N8N. This workflow is the foundation for connecting Google Ads and automating your ad campaigns. Look for the New Workflow button on your dashboard and click it to get started. Next, add the Google Ads node to your workflow. Click the plus button to open the node menu, then type Google Ads in the search bar and select it. This node allows N8N to interact directly with your Google Ads account. Once the node is added, it's time to configure it. Navigate to the node settings and select your OAuth 2 API credentials. Make sure to choose the Google Ads credentials you previously set up, as this authorizes N8N to access your account securely. Now decide what you want this node to do. The operation field in the settings lets you choose from actions like get campaigns, create campaign, and more. Select the operation that matches your goal, whether it's analyzing existing campaigns or launching a new one. After selecting the operation, fill in the required parameters for that task. Accuracy is key here, as correct entries ensure your workflow runs smoothly and without errors. Take a moment to double check all fields before proceeding. Once everything is set, your workflow is ready to run. With this integration, you can automate complex advertising tasks from campaign creation to performance monitoring, all within N8N. And there you have it, a complete setup connecting Google Ads to N8N, giving you a powerful tool for efficient and automated ad management. Happy automating!